Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. To celebrate my 1,000 subscribers, we will be making my favorite classic vanilla cake with silky smooth chocolate buttercream frosting. This cake is rich, moist with a deep vanilla flavor. I always love to make this classic vanilla cake for birthdays and other events. And since this is a very special occasion to me, I'm so excited to share my recipe with you today. So let's get baking! For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of 3 round 20 centimeters cake pans with parchment paper. I've already added the 375 grams of all-purpose flour into a medium mixing bowl. I'm now going to add the 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to my flour. Give this all a quick mix and set this aside. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 115 grams of softened butter, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 300 grams of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. If you don't have vanilla sugar, then just add a bit more of the vanilla extract later on. Beat this on medium-high speed until the mixture turns creamy. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl every now and then. I'm now going to add the 4 eggs one at a time, just like so. Make sure to beat this very well after each addition. Add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and continue to beat this until everything comes together. Lastly, I'm going to add the flour mixture, alternating with the 300 milliliters of buttermilk, simply like this. I'm just going to mix this gently by using a wooden spoon until everything is well combined. Make sure not to overmix this. Scrape the sides of your bowl once in a while. This is the consistency we are looking for. We can now pour the cake mixture into the prepared baking pans. Spread the mixture evenly by using a rubber spatula. Bake the cakes for about 28 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. My cakes are done baking. I baked mine for 30 minutes. Let the cakes cool down completely before frosting them. I'm now going to make my silky smooth chocolate buttercream frosting. I've already added the 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave this until your chocolate is completely melted. This will take around 40 to 50 seconds. After melting your chocolate, let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to stir it once in a while. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 230 grams of softened butter and beat this on medium-high speed until it turns creamy. Add in the cooled melted chocolate and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating this until everything is well combined. We can now gradually add in the 300 grams of confectioner's sugar. Beat this until everything is well incorporated. Lastly, we can add in the 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Beat this until the frosting turns smooth. This is a silky smooth consistency we are looking for. I'm now going to frost my cake. Add a generous amount of the frosting onto the first cake layer and spread it out evenly. Repeat this process with the other layers. Now add the remaining frosting all over the cake, just like so. At this point, you can freestyle. I personally like to make a swirl on top of the cake by using a small offset spatula.
Finally, we can add some sprinkles. I love to add a lot of sprinkles on the top and also on the bottom of the cake. For the finishing touch, I'm going to add different types of sprinkles. I think it gives the cake a happy vibe.
So this is my favorite vanilla cake with chocolate buttercream frosting. The combination of the rich vanilla cake together with the incredible silky smooth chocolate frosting is so delicious. This is seriously one of my best cakes, and I'm sure you're going to love it as well. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!